and they thought no one was watching, but there they are in the chocolate shop. Let me see. Oh, good girls. That's nice.
For many people, Switzerland is synonymous with chocolate. And not just any chocolate, but rich, smooth chocolate that leaves you wanting more and more. Back in the 17th century, Switzerland used their position as a transit point for goods passing through Europe to begin processing chocolate. And it wasn't much later that chocolate we know today comes into existence. For in the 19th century, the pioneers brought Swiss chocolate to the world. Not much has changed since then, apart from the quantities that are sold. In 2016, Swiss chocolate brands exported a whopping 122,000 tonnes of chocolate, raking in 874 million Swiss francs in the process. Lucerne is a city in central Switzerland, in the German-speaking portion of the country. Lucerne is the capital of the canton of Lucerne and part of the district of the same name. With a population of over 81,000 people, Lucerne is the most popular town in central Switzerland and a nexus of economics, transportation, culture and media of this region. The city's urban area consists of 17 different towns located in 3 different cantons, with an overall population of over 250,000 people. And Switzerland, of course, home of the Rolex watch. And when I looked in that shop window at the prices, I couldn't believe my eyes. Well, there were plenty of places to eat here in Lucerne, and the food was really, really nice. But the service, well, not so good. The official language of Lucerne is German, but the main spoken language is the local variant of the Alemannic Swiss German dialect, which I know nothing about. The Lion Monument, or the Lion of Lucerne, was designed by Bertel Thorvaldsen. It commemorates the Swiss Guards who were massacred in 1792 during the French Revolution. This was when the revolutionaries stormed the Tuileries Palace in Paris. Owing to its location on the shores of Lake Lucerne and its outflow, the River Reuss, within sight of the Mount Pilatus and Rigi in the Swiss Alps, Lucerne has long been a destination for tourists. And one of its famous landmarks is the Chapel Bridge. As you see here, a wooden bridge, which was erected in the 14th century, although in August 1993, it was almost burnt down and 2/3 of its interior paintings were destroyed. Some of our travellers this morning took the option to take a cruise around Lake Lucerne, and we're going to find out now what it was like.
Shame they're 5 minutes late.
Did you guys go up
Start singing.
They're singing.
They went up there. There we go.
Yeah, boss.
No, I'm not singing.
Yes, you are. You're 5 minutes late.
Guys behind me.
5 minutes late, girls. Start singing.
You don't want that.
They look a bit shattered.
Good.
Meet the travellers now, well, some of them. We've got Susan here, one of the Susans.
One of them.
One of five.
That's the name of the tour.
Good name.
One and only Andrew.
And we have Andrew. There's only one Andrew.
Yes, I think
But
so.
you tell everyone that.
There's only one Lindley.
Linley. And here we go to
It's Mini Gary's.
Gary. I was right. Yeah, Gary.
Boring old Gary's.
And we've got
One Carrie is
Kerry and Ian.
Everyone-
Joker of the
There's
best.
some of our Cosmos travellers, and we're going to be travelling with them all the way to Paris,
What day
where
did you say?
Ian's going to get a dress on.
I will.
Okay. Oh, well,
Okay.
we've got that on video, so you better be. Cheers. Here we are in Lucerne. If you like to come to Lucerne, you can sit here and have wine and cheese and have wine. Keep going with the wine, and everything is good, yeah?
Doesn't actually sound sweetie.
I know, but doesn't matter. Soon we be in my town. Anyways, and it's all good. And hello.
You keep talking shit, I'm going to have something to eat.
Hello.
Hello.
Anyway, cheers for Lucerne.
Oh, it looks like pizza for them. Ooh, we might raid their room. And speaking of rooms, well, here's my room. I'm quite happy with this. In Lucerne, I had a nice bath and I had a very comfortable sleep. Especially with those super duper lights above my bed. Everyone was talking about them. It took me a while, but I realised they were there. Anyway, we're going to leave Lucerne, and tomorrow we head for Italy.